magbiro dyan.
Again. Basahin mo na. Basahin mo na. Basahin mo na.
So, may message po si Ate Flora para po kay Auntie. So, babasahin ko po siya ngayon. English po eh. Wala pong iiyak kayo, iiyak kung bayad na 1,000 mamaya. Joke. Ito, Dear Mom, today will be the day that you will lay to your final resting place, and also the last day we can see you. I wish I am there to see you for the last time. I want to tell you how much your children loves you. Charlene, James, and Christopher miss you so much. You have been in Texas with us for so long that you helped me raise my children. Looking back, I don't think I could have been ever done it without you. Since Charlene was 1 year old, you were with us, guiding our family and making my work easier. You are my hero. You were always the rock of the family. The one that gave us the practical and sound advice. As a child, I learned the value of hard work and perseverance because of you. You always said na mag-aral kayong mabuti. Kapag nakatapos kayo, mararating nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Mabibili nyo yung mga gusto nyong bagay. Nay, iyan ang mga pangarap na lagi kong tinatandaan. To help me to become independent person with ambition, to success and to help the family. Because of your kindness and pangaral, I survived my first years in the US. Nay, even sa bahay marunong kang makisama. Never you have interfaced with my marriage life. Yet you were always there to support us. Whenever I need advice, Nay, I won't be able to talk to you anymore. And it makes me sad and lonely. I can't help but cry. But now I know you are also tired. Your body can no longer hold on any longer, and I understand. These last 3 years of my life, I know it's very tough for you. You have been so strong and independent. Relying to someone for everything is so hard. I will always remember all our good times together, especially the last few days before you left us. You will always be in our hearts. All the memories will be cherished. Watch us and guide us. Again, I love you, Mom. I miss you. And rest in peace. Ito naman po yung message ni Charlene, yung apo po ni Auntie. Yung babae, anak po ni Ate Flora. So, Charlene said that, I miss you very much. Like you always told me to finish college. I promise to do so, even though you are not with us anymore. You will always be in our hearts. Thank you for preparing our food when we come home from school, and being there when we need you, to keep us safe and comforted. When I was a little child, I am scared. You always told me to be nice to my brothers, and I will try my hardest to do that even when they are just too much to handle. Thank you for being with us in the States and being a part of my childhood. We love you very much, and I will never forget you. We know that you are in a better place right now, and you are watching us from heaven. Ito naman po yung message ni James, yung consoling anak ni Ate Flora. Thank you for being in my room when I'm scared. I miss your hug, and when you comfort me. Sorry we couldn't be there for your funeral to see you for the last time. Tapos yung last naman po yung kay Christopher, yung panganay niya. So, Thank you for being our second mother in my childhood. I will miss you being there. I'm sorry I was not able to make in the funeral. I remember when you cook ramen for me, the times the times would run away, you'd try to, yung pinapalo daw siya, lagi daw hinahabol ni Auntie si Christopher, pinapalo daw niya. Yun. Tinatry niya daw tumakbo, tapos nagtatago si Christopher. Hindi daw mahabol-habol ni Auntie siya, ang bilis tumakbo. Kasi nga sobrang pasaway. Sabi ni Christopher, I remember all the movies you watch with us and all the times you would work out with us. I remember how I occasionally give you a kiss on the cheek and say goodnight before we go to sleep. I love you and I miss you. Thank you for everything that you have done. May your soul rest in peace. So, ayun po yung message ng family niya.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.